Meet the Bellaluce Pendant Light by AQ Lighting. Finished in bronze, this industrial-style pendant is a popular choice for warehouses, interiors, and modern commercial spaces. Everything comes neatly packed in one box. The shade, bottom glass, full machine assembly, and clear installation instructions. All mounting hardware is built right in. The hickey mounts directly to your electrical box, with wiring already housed inside for a clean install. The pendant includes a 6-foot adjustable drop cable. Inside, there's a wire clamp that lets you easily shorten the cable to your desired height. Assembly is simple. Slide the keeper ring, place the beauty ring, and connect the shade. Secure the clips into the bracket. The dual holes keep everything locked firmly in place. Once fixed, install a G24 LED bulb. This fixture is California Title 24 compliant and supports up to a 28-watt LED. Place the glass top and secure it with the clips. It snaps cleanly into position, completing the Bellaluce assembly. Remove the screws from the mounting plate and secure it to the ceiling J-box using the provided hardware. Wrap the fixture wire around the bonding screw to ground it. Then connect black to black, white to white, and secure the ground wires together. Push the canopy into place, align it with the mounting holes, and tighten the screws to finish the install. And that's it. The Bellaluce Pendant Light is fully installed.